what envy did in Pampanga. Okay. It's the Philippine history and stories. Okay, let's start. There were only less Spanish soldiers there in Philippines. But the people of Pampanga still got kind to them. But the Spaniards still didn't pay their rice. They got the rice, they didn't even pay for it, and then they sell the rice. Why don't they just think, the Spaniards, that when the Filipino make money, they can ask the Filipinos so they can have some money too? Why don't the Spaniards just do like that? They always go the bad way. Yeah. But let's just continue. And also, the people of Pampanga, they were strong and good at fighting and helped the Spaniards too. Yeah. And they knew it was time for them to revolt. Bum, ba-dum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. So they chose a leader and got ready to fight. And when the governor heard this, he quickly tried to join. So he also wanted the chief to say yes to also join too, to do the revolt. And the governor think what he can do for the chief. And so he was so kind to him, and then he was already kind to the chief's family. His wife, his daughters, and sons. Yeah. And the people of Pampanga, they were in envy with the kindness. They also wanted to be treated kindly too, because they didn't even have any money to sell their rice to the Spaniards, because the Spaniards didn't even give them any money. And so the people of Pampanga left their leader and asked for the kindness to the government. And they said, the Spaniards didn't even give us any money. We want money right now. And also our rice was the cost of 200,000 pesos. But the governor only gave them 14,000 pesos. But still, the people of Pampanga still accepted it and got it. Yeah. And they also called for other ones to join for their fighting, for the revolt. And that envy caused the destroying of Pampanga. And before that, the Pampanga also sent a letter to Pangasinan, so the Pangasinan people can also join them, the Pampanga people. Yeah. But too bad, the Pampanga was destroyed. Yeah. Because it was only their leader who was fighting.
What do you mean by they destroyed? They have the fighting with the Spaniards, or they just don't want to do a revolt anymore with the Spaniards?
They don't want to do a revolt anymore with the Spaniards because they only want the same kindness. Why don't they just fight first and ask for the kindness? So their leader wouldn't be destroyed. It wouldn't be defeated, by the way.
And so?
And so the envy caused that to Pampanga.
Yeah, so because of their envy to the chief of Arayat, because of the trick style of Governor De Lara, that's of his kindness to the family of the chief, Macapagal, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is why the Pampanga don't want to join the revolt na. Okay, so who got the winning here? Is it the Spaniards or the Pampanga?
The Spaniards.
Yeah, still the Spaniards. And the people, Filipino people in Pampanga are still what?
We're still defeated.
Yeah, what's their reason again nga na? Why they want a revolt against the Spaniards?
Because the Spaniards didn't pay.
Okay, and what else?
The Spaniards didn't pay and treated them badly,
Mm-hmm.
and they didn't like what the Spaniards were doing, because they didn't even let the Pampanga people have money first, and then the Pampanga can share some of their monies to the Spaniards.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and they just want the Filipino people to serve them, right? Without even paying a good price. Yeah, so the people are so much tired of serving the Spaniards.
And so they thought it was the time to revolt. And my lesson here is, if you have to do something, you have to do it properly, even though you have envy.
Mm-hmm.
Because, diba, what they wanted, the Pampanga people wanted, they wanted to defeat the Spaniards, and that is what they wanted. But because of the envy, they just wanted kindness. Why don't they do what they wanted to do first, and then secondly do what they wanted to do secondly?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all, and bye-bye. Thanks for listening.